Okay, well, I am off to do one of my favorite things, which is go pick up some auction winnings. I usually bid on auctions sight unseen, so I don't know what I'm getting today. And I wish that I had gotten a few more things. I only got one thing today, and it's labeled as a Seal Tech 4840 bandsaw. I have no idea what it is. It was sitting on a pallet. It's a pretty big machine, but I think it'll fit in the bed of the mini truck. So that's what I'm taking today. I hope it works. I'm a little concerned. This thing is big. It's about a 2-hour drive. Well, if you don't see me again, you know why. Well, I made it back, and the mini truck is alive. Seems to be okay. It was a wild drive. I didn't like it, but I got back. I gotta bring the skid steer over here to get this thing off. So I gotta get into this and go get the skid steer, because that's out in Malaga. This thing is pretty cool. I can't find any information. That's it. The only thing that comes up is other machines like it. It's an auction. So I have no idea what it is. But I can't say for sure what it is. But my idea about what it is this whole piece slack. So it's on these rollers here. Obviously, you can see that one a bit there. And I imagine these things have something to do with the rolling part. What? This is some kind of a switch. It triggers it to turn off. Some sort of automation. I really don't know. Heavy duty.